One powerful tip to make your YouTube channel more popular. Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you just one simple trick that can help boost your channel's visibility and help more people find your content. Let's get started. White heavy checkmark step by step. Open your YouTube channel and go to YouTube Studio. On the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, click Channel, and then go to the Basic Info tab. You'll see a section called Keywords. This is where YouTube looks to understand what your channel is about. Brain, now here's the smart part. Open ChatGPT like what you're using now. Type in something like, "My channel is called Easy Tuts and Tips. It's about technology and graphic design. What are the best unique keywords I should use?" ChatGPT will give you a list of relevant and unique keywords that match your content. Look through the list and choose the keywords that really fit your channel. Copy the ones you like. Just highlight the text, right-click and hit copy, or use Ctrl+C. Then go back to your YouTube Studio, and in the Keywords section, paste them in, Ctrl+V or right-click and paste. Party popper, and that's it. You've just added SEO-friendly keywords that tell YouTube exactly what your channel is about. This helps YouTube recommend your videos to the right audience, and it's something most beginners miss. Try this today. It only takes a few minutes but can really make a difference.